Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're learning English and sometimes feel nervous when meeting new people, then today's lesson is perfect for you. Our topic is how to introduce yourself confidently in English. Introducing yourself is one of the most important skills in English. You need it at school, at work, during interviews, when traveling, and even when making new friends. Many English learners know vocabulary and grammar, but they become nervous when someone says, "Tell me about yourself." Don't worry. Today we're going to help you sound more natural, more confident, and more comfortable.
Hello everyone. I'm Paul. I completely agree, Emily. I remember when I was younger, I sometimes felt nervous meeting new people too. And honestly, confidence doesn't mean being perfect. It means being comfortable enough to speak, even if you make small mistakes. That's why today's lesson is so useful. We'll go through many real-life situations and teach you practical phrases you can start using today. So grab a coffee, relax, and let's improve your English together. A simple phrase is, "Hi, I'm Paul. Nice to meet you."
This is one of the most common introductions in English. It's friendly, polite, and easy to remember. Vocabulary. Nice to meet you means you are happy to meet the person.
A more formal alternative is, "Hello, my name is Paul. It's a pleasure to meet you."
Example sentence. Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Speaking tip. Smile when introducing yourself. A smile can help break the ice. That's a common English expression that means making people feel comfortable.
Situation number 2. Introducing yourself at work. Maybe it's your first day at a new company.
You can say, "Hi everyone, I'm Paul. I just joined the team."
Join the team means you recently became part of the group. It's a useful workplace phrase.
A formal version is, "Good morning everyone. My name is Paul, and I recently joined the company."
Example. I'm Emily, and I recently joined the marketing team.
Speaking tip. Try to speak slowly. Many learners rush through introductions because they are nervous. Take your time.
Situation number 3. Introducing yourself in class.
You could say, "Hi, I'm Paul. I'm from Canada, and I'm studying English."
This gives basic information about you. Name, country, and what you're doing. Simple and effective.
A formal alternative. "Hello everyone. My name is Paul. I'm from Canada and currently studying English."
Example. My name is Anna. I'm from Brazil and I'm learning English.
Speaking tip. Practice this introduction until it rolls off your tongue. That means it becomes easy and natural to say.
Quick question for our listeners. What do you usually say when introducing yourself?
Pause the video and practice introducing yourself in one sentence. Try it right now.
Situation number 4. Meeting a new neighbor.
You can say, "Hi, I'm Paul. I live next door."
Very simple and natural. Next door means the house or apartment beside yours.
Formal alternative. "Hello, my name is Paul. I recently moved into the apartment next door."
Example. Hi, I'm Lisa. I just moved in last week.
Speaking tip. Ask a question after introducing yourself. It keeps the conversation going. For example, "How long have you lived here?"
Situation number 5. At a networking event.
A useful phrase is, "Hi, I'm Paul. I work in data analytics."
That's a great point. Many people forget to mention what they do. At professional events, your job is often important information.
Formal version. "Good afternoon. My name is Paul, and I work as a data analyst."
Example. I'm Sarah, and I work in finance.
Speaking tip. Stand up straight. Good posture can make you sound more confident.
Situation number 6. During an online meeting.
You can say, "Hello everyone. I'm Paul, and I'll be working with you on this project."
This sounds professional and friendly.
Formal alternative. "Good morning. My name is Paul, and I will be collaborating with your team on this project."
Example. I'm Emily, and I'll be helping with customer support.
Speaking tip. Look at the camera when speaking. It creates better eye contact.
Situation number 7. Introducing yourself to a friend of a friend.
You can say, "Hi, I'm Paul. We've heard a lot about each other."
This phrase creates a warm atmosphere. It shows friendliness.
A formal alternative. "Hello, I'm Paul. It's nice to finally meet you."
Example. It's great to finally meet you in person.
Speaking tip. Be yourself. People connect with genuine conversations.
Situation number 8. Joining a club or group.
You could say, "Hi everyone, I'm Paul, and I'm excited to be here."
This sounds positive and energetic. People usually like enthusiastic members.
Formal alternative. "Hello everyone, my name is Paul, and I'm looking forward to participating in this group."
Example. I'm excited to learn from all of you.
Speaking tip. Confidence grows through practice. Don't wait until you feel perfect. Start speaking now.
Before we continue, let's check in with our listeners. Have you ever felt nervous introducing yourself in English? Write your answer in the comments.
Here's a challenge. Introduce yourself using 3 sentences. Your name, where you're from, what you do or study. Practice it out loud.
Great job so far. In the next section, we'll cover even more real-life situations, including job interviews, social media introductions, meeting customers, speaking at events, and many more ways to introduce yourself confidently in English.
And trust me, some of these situations can feel scary at first. But after today's lesson, you'll be much more prepared. Let's keep going.